15 to 20 miles an hour, decreasing to 10 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. Winds projected high as 30 miles an hour. Friday, partly sunny with a high near 50. North-northwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy with a low around 23. North-northwest wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny with a high near 48. Saturday night, mostly clear with a low around 22. Sunday, sunny with a high near 58. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a low around 34. Columbus Day, mostly sunny with a high near 68. Monday night, partly cloudy with a low around 36. Tuesday, partly sunny with a high near 58. Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a low around 32. Wednesday, sunny with a high near 58.
Affected areas: all of northwest Iowa, all of southwest Minnesota, extreme northeast Nebraska, and the southeast border of South Dakota. Winds ahead of the cold front roughly along and east of Atinal, South Dakota to Huron, South Dakota line. South winds will average 15 to 30 miles an hour, although speeds will be a little stronger in southeast South Dakota, extreme northeast Nebraska, and along the Big Sioux River in northwest Iowa. Behind the front, winds will become west and increase to 25 to 45 miles an hour by late afternoon. Relative humidity as low as 15%. Impacts: fire ignition is very high today with rapid rates of spread. Outdoor burning should not occur. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or in the near future. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures will create explosion fire growth potential. At 6 p.m., the sky was mostly sunny in Huron. The temperature was 80 and the dew point 40. The relative humidity was 23%. Wind was from the west at 17 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.62 inches and rising. Elsewhere around the area, Aberdeen was partly sunny and 54. Watertown was mostly